The 2008 Dodge Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate midsize pickup and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power locks, clock, power windows, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.